Hi there! A few days ago I was making some tests from batteries of GoPros. I was testing Hero 9, Hero 10 and Hero 8. Here I just have Hero 10 and Hero 8. I just returned the Hero 9 because it was not mine. And I was making hours of videos to see how many time you can film in each mode. The first test I did was at 2K 60 photograms per second with all the screens open, not closing them, just all the time was the screen open. This means much more consumed. The result was so weird because Hero 9 and Hero 10 only can film at 2K with the screen open for 20 minutes. Both cameras was okay. Hero 10 was 20 minutes and Hero 9 was 29 minutes. What this means, you cannot film more than 20 minutes? No, that's wrong, because you never film with the screens open all the time. But the batteries from 9 and 10 was, Hero 10 was 57% left. This means you can film for 40 minutes, if we believe that, with the screens open. And the Hero 9, after 28 minutes, the battery was at 62%. All of the three cameras had the same problem, turned off because they were too hot. The second test I did was the same, but with the screen off. The Hero 10 with the screen off filmed for 29 minutes after turn off because it was too warm. Just 9 minutes more than with the screen open. The Hero 9 was 61 minutes. 60 minutes is, I think, the maximum, because all the cameras, when I reach the 60, they turn off automatically. This means you cannot film for videos longer than 60, or you just need to turn off and turn on the camera. The Hero 9 had 30% left of the battery. Okay, I will leave all this information here just to make it easier. And the Hero 8, with 60 minutes, the battery was at 0. This means it can film for 2K 60 minutes and it kills the battery. Obviously, you can see the difference between both batteries. I don't know if you can appreciate. This is a battery from the Hero 8 and this is a battery from the Hero 9 and 10, and it's like twice. And the third test was one of the more interesting ones, because I just left the screen open, not filming, just screen on all the time, and to see how long it can stay a camera without filming and how this affects to the battery. This is interesting because when I'm filming, sometimes I don't know if to turn off the camera off and turn on every time I want to film, or just keep it open all the time. And after this test, I realized that you can keep the camera on all the time and doesn't affect a lot to the battery. The battery from the three cameras was 2 hours and 5 minutes, more or less. The Hero 10 was 2 hours and 3 minutes, Hero 9 was 2 hours and 7, and Hero 8 was 2 hours and 5 minutes. Without recording, just the time you can keep your camera on without filming. Yeah, it's sometimes, if you have to film a lot of things during all the day and you just have one battery, maybe you can turn off the camera, but this was with the screen open. If you turn off the screen, the camera doesn't waste as much battery as you think. 2 hours with the screen open. And I did not make the test with the screen off, just leaving the camera on all the time. And the fourth test was the camera filming at 1080, and the result was the camera don't froze because it's too hot. Just can film all of them 60 minutes without effect to the temperature of the camera. You can film for more than 60 minutes at 1080. It's 2K or 4K when the camera have issues with the temperature. And all these tests were made with GPS open, Wi-Fi open and Bluetooth open. All the sensors were open and this is the result. Whatever, I hope it was interesting or it is boring. I don't know, I was making this video for myself to see how it works, because I like to make a lot of videos and I never knew how long was the battery with each video. That problem with the temperature with the Hero 10, because I've been filming with the Hero 8 every time. Whatever, this is the video. Thank you for watching. See you, bye.